All right, welcome to class, ladies and gentlemen. Happy fill-in-the-blank day that it is. It is March or April, maybe May, fill-in-the-blank of 20 fill-in-the-blank. Hope you're enjoying your time away from school. And here we are doing school anyway. Isn't it beautiful? I'd like to make a couple different videos of some word problems, solving word problems with trig ratios. So let's see what we have here. So the first thing, if you want an example of these problems in your class notes, you can find them in this. It's under the Week 1 folder. This is Chapter 11, Section 1, Right Triangle Trigonometry, and we're all the way on the last page of that note. So over here, number 5, about this cute little guy going skiing down the mountain. So I just blew it up. There it is. The aerial run in Snowbird, Utah has an angle of elevation of 20.2 degrees. The length of this ski run is 8,400 feet. We'd like to find the vertical drop in feet. So we want the vertical drop. So we'd like to know you're starting way up here and it's dropping. So that's the vertical drop. That's x, what we're looking for. And then we're told that the angle of elevation is 20.2. So important thing about angle of elevation, if this is the ground and someone's down here looking up, this angle that's formed with the ground and the line of sight is the angle of elevation. And that's equivalent, it's alternate interior angle, that's equivalent to the angle of depression, which is that angle theta. So I don't know if there's like some tree, is my best try at a tree. There's some tree and there's a bird, oh boy, bird, that's bird. Up in the top of the tree, the bird's looking down, the line of sight of the bird's like that. And that forms with this horizontal line that's parallel to the ground. This angle that's formed right here is the angle of depression. Depression. That's very messy. And then this one is the angle of elevation. Elevation. So the issue that students sometimes have is they think this angle right here is the angle of depression, but it's actually the angle that's congruent. This angle is congruent with this angle. So the angle of elevation is congruent to the angle of depression. All of that to say that we have an angle of elevation of 20.2. That would be this angle is 20.2 degrees. And we're looking for x. There's x. And we want the ski run is 8,400 feet. So if this little guy actually skis down, the way that he's skiing is going to be down this. This is the actual length, is 8,400 feet. So we would like a trig ratio that relates the this angle to this side. So this is the opposite side to that angle. And then the 8,400, which is the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So we have opposite and we have hypotenuse. So what trig ratio? Well, let's write SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA are the three trig ratios for a right triangle. So we have opposite and hypotenuse. So we need to use the sine ratio. So we can write it as sine of an angle, sine of 20.2 degrees equals opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The opposite is x, what we're solving for, and the hypotenuse is 8,400 feet. Solving that, we multiply both sides by 8,400, sine of 20.2 degrees, and that's what x equals. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And to calculate that, I need to get a calculator out. And when in doubt, go to Google and have it do 8,400 times sine 20.2 degrees, and it looks like our answer is 2900.5. So I think it might have said round to the nearest foot. So the vertical drop is 2,901 feet. Hope this video is helpful for you, and there will be more word problem videos coming up soon.